Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. WhatsApp status not showing on your phone. Don't worry, this fix works in 2026. Okay, let's start. First, open your WhatsApp app and now click on the three dot line and click on the settings and scroll down. Now tap on the privacy and scroll down. Now click on the status and now click on the my contacts. Okay, back and first check your internet or Wi-Fi connection. Okay, go back and now click on the phone settings and scroll down. Now tap on the apps option and scroll down and now search WhatsApp and click on the WhatsApp and click on the force stops. Okay, scroll down. Now tap on the storage, clear cache, clear data, go back and now tap on the permission and allow all permission. Call logs, camera, contacts, location, microphone, music and audio, nearby device, notifications, phone, photos and videos, SMS. Okay, allow all permission. Back and now restart your phone and reopen it again your phone. Okay, go to Play Store and search for WhatsApp and check update your WhatsApp. My WhatsApp already updated. Okay, go back and click on the WhatsApp app. Now open your WhatsApp and now click on the update and see at status. I hope your problem has been solved successful. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.